let's learn about the driver controls. The new Generation DAF steering wheel has been enhanced to keep all our regular controls right at our fingertips. Cruise control features are on the left and audio controls are on the right. On the left control pad we can set, resume and turn off cruise control. Adaptive cruise control is automatically turned on when cruise control is activated. The thumb wheel adjusts the distance maintained between us and other road users. Once the truck is travelling over 25 kilometres an hour, the variable speed limiter can be set, increased or decreased, and turned back off. With this function, you still drive using the throttle, but the vehicle speed is limited to your setting. When driving downhill, the vehicle speed is limited to 2 kilometres over the set limit by automatically engaging the engine brake. However, it does not activate the service brakes, and this system will not use adaptive cruise control where the truck keeps safe distance from other vehicles. The forward collision warning, anti-lock brakes and advanced emergency braking system will still work if needed. On the right control pad, we can skip to the next song or accept a phone call. Change the audio source, play the previous song, hang up or decline a phone call. Activate voice control, open the favourites or go back in the menu, and we can adjust the volume up, down or mute the system. The central scroll wheel changes functions depending on the menu screen. It rolls up and down through selections and clicks in for enter or accept functions. The left-hand stalk operates the indicators, high beam headlights and headlight flash, windscreen wipers including the variable control for the intermittent wipers. Auto mode for the wipers will use the camera in the windscreen, and when it senses rain, activates the blades to clean the screen. On the end of the stalk there is a horn button and the windscreen washer control. This will also activate the wipers. The right-hand stalk controls the gear selection, rolling the wheel forward to drive, central for neutral, and back for reverse. Neutral is also used for parking. Gears can also be manually adjusted, upshifting by lifting up, or downshifting by pushing the stalk down like this. 3 increasing stages of engine brake can be initiated by moving the stalk towards the driver, like the indicators. Some trucks will have a function for Eco Mode Off. This is the lower button on the end of the right-hand stalk. Eco Off will also be activated if the throttle kickdown is used. And the top button is for Auto, Manual Mode and Maneuver Mode, or the Turtle Mode. Maneuver Mode is not a low gear. Maneuver Mode and Urge to Move can be activated by holding down this button for 2 seconds. The turtle icon will appear on the display. Now, when you remove your foot from the brake pedal, the truck will move slowly forward or backwards up to 4 kilometres an hour. This is perfect for reversing or positioning your combination. If your truck has an electric park brake, it is activated by pulling lightly down through the friction detent until the handle light and dash light comes on. Or it has some other really cool safety features, like if the door is opened while the truck is running, it'll come on automatically. It'll also come on if the truck is shut down. It can be pushed in for release, or the driver can accelerate once the gear has been selected and it will release automatically. If your truck has a manually operated park brake, it will lock into place with a light pull. Manual park brakes will not release automatically or come on automatically. And that's it. For more information, take a look at daf.com.au or head into your local PACCAR dealership.